Hi, I'm Shannon from houseimprovements.com. And do you have one of these Schlag electronic deadbolts, but you'd like to change the user code? Maybe you just bought the house, or maybe you're doing a new install and you just are having a little trouble with the programming. I'm going to show you my easy steps to get it done. So with these locks, if you like I said, if you've purchased the home and you don't know how to program it, you first need to take off this back piece, and inside there's going to be a tag. I can't remember if it's on the back piece or on this piece, and that tag is just going to be a little yellow sticker like this, and on there it's going to have a programming code. Okay, so you need that code to be able to do this. So take your lock apart, find that code if you don't have the instructions, and that's the first thing you're going to need. So now to enter your own user code, which is your own combination to unlock the door, you're going to use that programming code. You're going to push that in. We've got the door open, we've got the lock in. You're going to push in your programming code. Yours is going to be different than mine. It's going to give 3 long beeps and an orange light. Then you're going to push this orange light. The keypad turns blue, then you're going to push 1. Okay, wait for the beeps, enter the code you want. It's going to beep, give you an orange light, enter it again. Now I get a beep and a green light, and it's done. So now it's in there, and we can give it a test. So let's, on this lock, to lock it, you just need to push that top button, extend the bolt. So let's just say the door is locked. You can see the bolts out. Let's try our new code. I get a green flashing light and a beep, and I've got a few seconds to turn this knob to retract the bolt, and it all works. Okay. Now, let's say we wanted to delete that code. Let's see, we need our programmer number again. What was that? 613008 was mine. You're going to get the beeps. We're going to push that button. Then we're going to get the orange light again. We're going to push 2. Now we're going to push in the numbers that we want to get rid of, and we're going to do it twice. And get a long green light. That one's gone. Now when you dig out that yellow tag with your programming code on it, it's also going to have 2 pre-programmed user codes in there. And those may have never been deleted. So you may want to delete those after you've programmed in a new number that you want, or a couple new numbers. I think most of these locks will take 4 different numbers for whatever reason. So make sure you have ones in there that you know that you want and are working before you try to delete any old user codes. Okay? So hopefully that was fairly clear, and it's kind of one of those things, if you don't have these instructions with the steps all written down on it, you don't know which way to turn. You can probably find it online, I suppose. Well, I guess you did. You found my video. So if you have any questions about installing one of these deadbolts, I will be posting a video on that. So check out my channel and see if it's up yet. Thanks a lot for watching House Improvements.